Assalamualaikum and good day. Today we will do our presentation on enhancing the server-side internet proxy detection technique in network infrastructure. We are the authors of this paper, which consists of myself, Kamaruzaman Maskat, and Muhammad Hafizi Muhammad Shukran, Muhammad Naim Abdullah, Muhammad Siddiq Fadil Muhammad Yunus, Muhammad Rizal Muhammad Isa, Muhammad Adib Khairuddin, Wan Nur Shuhada Wan Nik, and Nurhaniza Wahid. This presentation will start with the introduction. Secondly is challenges in proxy detection. Third is related works. Fourth is proposed framework, and then the conclusion. Let's start with the introduction. A proxy is an intermediary between a client and the server. It acts on behalf of the client to communicate with the server. It could also mask the origin of the client. On the positive side, it provides security, manage network traffic, manage bandwidth, and so on. On the negative side, it could be used for malicious intent. For example, man-in-the-middle attack. There are many detection methods to detect proxy servers, but some only identify certain proxy implementation. The goal of this study is to give an organized review of the proxy detection methods. Next is the challenges in proxy detection. When a client using a proxy, it is difficult to distinguish whether the connection is a direct connection from the client or not. This could cause cybersecurity issues such as information interception, man in the middle, or attack, which is hard to know the real source of the attack. Also, anonymous proxy servers detection is hard because the IP address used by the anonymous proxy server always changes. This research proposed a research framework for the internet server that combines a variety of distinct techniques. Findings of this study helps with effective and efficient detection methods. Next is the related works. For anonymous proxy server, there are a few research being done. First is the investigation and discussion of anonymous proxy server conducted by Conti, No, Busan, and Yang. The second is the investigation and detection conducted by Chen, Sinarontonakis, Akshava, and Ahi Furushani. Ahi Furushani research focused on detecting patterns in traffic flow. For S. Miller, focus on packet signatures via detection system and originating IP addresses. For Win Min Lin, research focused on Nagel's technique determine the TCP connection. And for Marco Canini research, focus on flow aspects and round trip time. So for optimal detection strategy for this research, we are planning to combine numerous techniques in order to enhance the server-side detection technique via machine learning. Next is the proposed framework. For this proposed framework, we are planning to implement proxy firewall in order to detect the proxy server by analyzing the connection to a web server, either the connection is using proxy or not. Packet between the client and web server will be captured. Machine learning will be used to detect proxy by firstly cleaning the packet via data pre-processing technique, and then certain attributes will be chosen in order to detect the proxy. Next is to train the machine learning by splitting the data into two, training and test set, where after the machine learning is trained, it will be tested to detect whether the client is using proxy or not. Next is the conclusions. The research underscores the critical importance of addressing the potential malicious use of non-transparent proxy servers, which can clog users' tracks and pose significant challenges in tracing the source of attacks. To systematically tackle this issue, the research methodology centers on collecting quantitative data, primarily focusing on attributes such as IP addresses, port numbers, round trip time, and fragmentation. In conclusion, the research presents a comprehensive and methodical approach to detect non-transparent proxy servers, recognizing the inherent security challenges posed by these tools. By leveraging quantitative data and employing advanced machine learning techniques, the study aims to contribute to the development of robust detection mechanisms. That's all from me. Thank you very much.